It's Sum time.
Hi guys! Did you check out our video on why does salt make food taste better? Wasn't that just awesome? But now, to make it a little more interesting, I'll replay the video and ask some questions in between. Write your guesses or answers in the comments section. Let's see how many of you can get it right.
Why does salt make food taste better?
Wait, I'll explain. Salt, which is basically sodium chloride, makes almost everything taste better. What is the chemical formula of sodium chloride? These are your four options: SOCl, NaCl, natrium chloride, ClSO. You have only 20 seconds and your time starts now.
Think fast and write your answer or correct option in the comments section.
Alright, time for the right answer. It's option number 2, that is, NaCl. If you got it right, good job. If not, no worries. You can try the next one. Whether it is French fries, certain fruits, curries, or even cookies, we like at least a little salt in all these foods. According to researchers, we've evolved to like salt maybe because our bodies need salt for survival.
What? Salt for survival?
Indeed. Sodium present in salt maintains our blood pressure, transmits nerve impulses, etc. Does anybody know what is the ideal blood pressure range in adults? Here are your options: more than 90/60 and less than 120/80. More than 60/90 and less than 80/120. Are you ready? Your time starts now.
What are you waiting for? I can't seem to find your comment. Write it fast!
Okay, are you guys ready? And the answer is option number 1. That is, more than 90/60 and less than 120/80. Now, let's see who gets it right the next time. Whereas chloride is used to produce hydrochloric acid in our stomach. Why doesn't hydrochloric acid damage our stomach? And these are your four options. Because hydrochloric acid is not an acid. It is actually a base. Because the water we drink neutralizes the hydrochloric acid. Because the inner lining of our stomach is coated with mucus. None of the above.
Hurry up! Write your guess in the comments section.
You have only 20 seconds and your time starts now. And time's up. Okay, ready to know if you are right or wrong? The correct answer is option number 3. That is, because the inner lining of our stomach is coated with mucus, the hydrochloric acid doesn't damage our stomach. If you got it right, good job. If not, no worries. You can always try again. Hence, to obtain salt, we have gradually developed a taste for it. Thus, salt in food makes it appealing and tasty. In addition to this, it is found that salt suppresses bitterness better than sugar. Researchers aren't sure how. Some researchers suggest that salt neutralizes the bitter tongue receptors, while some suggest that on adding salt, the brain interprets the taste as less bitter. Which of the following is not a taste? Your options are as follows: sweet, salty, umami, none of the above. And your time has begun. Start guessing.
Come on, the clock is ticking. Write your answer in the comment section.
Now, let us check out the right answer. It's option number 4. That is, none of the above. This is because sweet, salty, as well as umami, all three are tastes.